everyone and welcome back to Schoolosophy. So in my last video I spoke about the structure of an atom and today I'm going to explain what are linear equations. So let's begin. So let's see what a linear equation is. An equation is anything with an equal to sign and when the value of the variable x needs to be found out. Now a linear equation is when the x, that is the variable x, has the power of 1. Now let's see some examples. 2x minus 2 is equal to 4. There is an equal to sign and the value of this variable x needs to be found out. So it is an equation. Now how do we know it is a linear equation? Because this variable x is raised to the power 1, it is a linear equation. Another example could be 6y minus 6 is equal to 12. Now there is an equal to sign and the variable y needs to be found out. So it is an equation. Again, this variable y is raised to the power 1. So it is a linear equation. Another example of an equation could be 2x square minus 5 is equal to 14. Now there is an equal to sign and the value of this variable x needs to be found out. So this is an equation. However, it is not a linear equation because this variable x is raised to the power 2, which is more than the power 1. So this is not a linear equation. Now let's see how to solve some linear equation. Before starting to solve the linear equation, one thing we need to know is that this is the left hand side and this is the right hand side of this equal to sign. Now whenever anything goes from this left hand side to this right hand side or from the right hand side to the left hand side, the sign changes. Like if there is a minus number going from left hand side of the equal to sign to the right hand side, it will become positive. When a positive number is going from the left hand side to the right hand side, it becomes negative. And it happens opposite. When a positive number is going from right hand side to left hand side, it becomes negative. And when a negative number is going from right hand side to left hand side, it becomes positive. Now the same occurs from multiplication and division. If a multiplication sign goes from the left hand side to the right hand side, it becomes division. And if a division sign goes from right to left, it becomes multiplication. The same thing happens if you take it the other way. If a multiplication goes from right to left, it turns to division. And if a division goes from left to right, it turns multiplication. So now let's see how to solve these equations. And the first one is 2x minus 2 is equal to 4. Whenever we are solving the linear equation, we need to first make sure that this variable x is alone. So now on this left hand side, it is not alone. It has minus 2 with it. So we move this minus 2 to the right hand side. Now when this minus 2 goes to the right hand side, it becomes plus 2. So 2x is equal to 4 plus 2. Now again x is not alone. It has got this 2. Now actually this is 2 into x is equal to 6. Now because it is a multiplication sign, when it goes to the right hand side, it will become division. So now x is equal to 6 divided by 2, which is nothing but x is equal to 3. Now let's take the second example of solving linear equations. 6y minus 6 is equal to 12. Now again here we need to first make the 6y alone. So we take this minus 6 to the right hand side. Now 6y is equal to 12 plus 6. Because this is minus, it goes there and becomes plus. Now the same thing is here. It is 6 into y. So when we move this multiplication sign towards the right hand side, we divide it. So y is equal to 18 upon 6, which is nothing but y is equal to 3. That's it for this video. I hope you understood. If you have any doubts, please let me know in the comments below. And I will post my new video on Monday that will explain the more difficult examples of linear equations. If you want me to post a video on any topic, please put it down in the comments. So bye and please do subscribe because I post new videos every week.